Hello everybody, welcome back to Universe Jarvis, and I have, I guess, an unboxing for you guys today. Haven't done one of those in a while, at least not of tech products, but I have been sharing some of my passion for shopping with you for other things. Anyhow, so I think videos and videos ago when I kind of first started out, I did an unboxing when I got the Nest alarm system through my phone carrier, T-Mobile. It came with like the keypad, the little key fobs, and came with some door sensors. And of course it came with the indoor camera, which is phenomenal. It has night sight, all that good stuff. And it's a Google product. So to me, between all the voice assistants and things like that, I honestly think the Google stuff works a lot better. It knows more, of course, because of Google. Alexa's okay, but I just don't feel like she's as responsive. And also Google has their own ecosystem with their whole line of Nest products. So I've been really happy. We kind of decided that we wanted to do an outdoor camera as well, and I wanted a wireless option, or I guess something that you didn't have to hardwire through a house. Since we rent, we're in a mobile home unit, it would be a lot easier to have something that I could just kind of attach that was magnetic. And fortunately, the Nest outdoor camera kind of checked off all of those boxes. I hadn't set it up yet, so in order to do an unboxing, I probably need to do unboxing first and then set it up so you guys don't miss out on seeing, because it's going to be like Christmas for me going through this and seeing what we've got. So, here we go. Got the Nest indoor cam here. Now, there's a bunch of videos and reviews up for this already, but this is just my first time with it and unboxing it. It's actually really heavy. So, I got this from Lowe's, which I'm a little irritated with the Lowe's locally here. They kind of pissed me off, but it is what it is, whatever. It's on sale right now. I think this is $149.99 down from, I think, $2 something, or maybe it was $200 even, something to that effect. And I had a gift card with a little bit of like $13 on it. So I walked out of the store with this for like $145, which is really, really good. And let's kind of go over the box here. So Nest offers a couple different features. You guys probably can't really read the small text, but you've got 24/7 live streaming, person alerts. I watched another YouTube video about this, and you can actually, it'll tell you you can add familiar faces to it now. Continuous cloud recording if you have a Nest Aware subscription. I actually technically have a subscription through my cell phone carrier, so that's what I'm gonna end up using to do what I need to do, and it should provide me with all the features. And it's got two-way audio, so you can talk to someone that approaches the area where the camera is, and they can talk back to you. So that's pretty nice. Standard Nest packaging. This is very similar to when I got the Nest alarm system. Nice, clean. They kind of, I guess, have taken a cue from Apple with their packaging. It's nice and simple. Almost looks like it's a recycled cardboard box. And let's actually pan the camera down so you guys can see. So let's see here. Started to slip right there. So just simple packaging. And they kind of show you. Actually, this is kind of funny. I guess this is if you're up north. There's a bear on that. So I guess wherever they are, there's bears. Like, so they're in the mountains or somewhere, so they can see that bear hanging around. Alright, I only got this plastic off. And this sleeve just kind of slides off. Set that off to the side. Voila! There's the box. Little Nest Home icon, which is kind of cute. And it's one of these fun boxes that I hate because you have to kind of jiggle it to start it opening. Oh, see, I saw that when I first started opening it. I'm sitting here shaking this thing. Oh, you guys can laugh at me. There we go. That's why it wouldn't open. I forgot that little piece was over there. Oh, look at how much easier that is now. Well, sorta. People that aren't box challenged, I guess. So, inside the lid, it kind of cushions the camera. And as soon as you open it up, look at that. You've got the camera right there. And what I'm going to do is remove this. So this has a 25-foot cable. They've actually got it wrapping all the way around in Google. I'm going to say Google, Nest, whatever. Even the Google Home Minis have this. The packaging is very, very similar. So that's all the camera stuff there. There's some more stuff down here, so let's see what that is. That's a little lip. Okay, so I guess these are just setup instructions. Yeah, This is just an envelope with some instructions on how to set it up. And that's the rest of the cable right there. And I guess it plugs in through this, so that's gonna actually can go ahead and take it out since I'm gonna be setting it up. So it's in this little box. Is that taped? No, open it this way. So this is some of the hardware. I think this is the little magnetic piece that goes on the outside. Yeah, it's definitely magnetic. I can feel the magnetic. It's got some cable clamps right there that you can screw. So this is to mount it to the outside and kind of secure it to keep it from getting messed with. I won't be using those because the outside of my dwelling is aluminum, so I'm going to need something magnetic. And this is if you're going through concrete, those little anchors. So that's that. And then we got the cable, or the rest of the cable. So that's the cable right there. Remember to screw in the wall plate before attaching me. So, gonna see what all that does. Now, I was saying before, I have to do a slightly different option. Oh, I guess that's the wall plate that it's talking about right down there at the bottom. So I'm gonna have to go do some playing around because I think I should just be able to use that magnet and be fine because I'm not gonna necessarily anchor it to the wall. Now, I was kind of trying to think, how can I secure this cable since I can't use those cable clips because I'm not going to drill through the aluminum. And I thought of these. They're bull clips. Usually these are on a file cabinet. I actually have some of these at work on my desk, and these little rascals are super strong. They have really strong magnets on them, so they're basically just a clip with a magnet on there, and that'll kind of clamp down on it. So that's what I'm going to end up using to secure it, and it looks like it's getting ready to rain here, so I need to actually probably get outside, go ahead and try to get this set up real quick before a storm comes up. But as always, thank you guys for tuning into my video. I have another one coming up here shortly. Once I get this camera situation together, I'm gonna take out all my stuff that I acquired on my journey. If you watch my little rant that I just uploaded, I was actually heading to IKEA because I had some appointments today, and I need to grab some stuff for the house, and that was not... Anyhow, I'm not going to go back into that rant again. You guys can watch it, and you can laugh and comment and do whatever. But that's it for this particular video. I've got another one coming fairly soon right after this, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this unboxing. It was very quick. Looks like we're at 7 minutes and 50 seconds, so probably about 8 by the time I'm done talking. Do not forget to subscribe below, and as always, comment. Thanks guys, you rock. Universe Jarvis out.